Hey friends, I put together a quick video that might be able to help you as you navigate through how to connect with our online services on Sundays. The YouTube stuff is fairly straightforward, but I wanted to share a little bit about how to use our online church platform. So this video is a screenshot of my computer, and I know the audio and maybe even the video isn't top notch, but I hope this is helpful. Feel free to ask me some questions if you need some help getting connected on Sunday mornings.
So what I've done is just opened up a guest tab on my web browser, imagining that I'm going to these places for the first time. You can access this stuff through the links I'll send by email on Sunday mornings or at other times through the week. But I would also encourage you just to go to Zion Baptist, make sure I spell that right, .ca. And if you go to zionbaptist.ca, this is our church website. And on our homepage, you see there's the YouTube link. You can click on that. That's a simple way to participate in our online services. The advantage is it lets you pause and play when you'd like. So if you want to get up and grab a cup of coffee, you won't miss out on the service. But what I actually want to encourage you to take a look at is this online church platform link just down here. That will open up a new tab for you. This is zionbaptistca.online.church. And this is our online church platform. This is an interactive or a more interactive Sunday morning experience for you. So what will happen is you'll log on Sunday morning, and you'll notice that there's no video playing. There's nothing going yet. There will be either a black screen or there might be a video saying that the service will start soon. So you come in, and just like on a Sunday morning, you arrive and you want to be able to chat with some people. You want to say hello. You want to have a conversation with people you haven't seen for a while. So you just go down on the bottom right here is the chat function, and you say, hello, everyone. And you either click on the blue button or you just hit enter. And it says, oh, hold on, you need to pick a nickname. You can choose to log in. I won't do that right now, but you can choose to log in and have your name saved and that sort of thing for the future. Good idea to do. But this morning, I'm just going to decide that my name is Bradford. And I post that. And then you see in the chat down in the corner here, Bradford says, hello, everyone. And so everyone will see that chat. There is some notes here. So when you arrive, you can find out our digital bulletin by clicking on that link. Or as we're going through the Apostles' Creed, you can click on there, and that will take you to a page that has the Apostles' Creed for you. You can click on the Bible link and find any of the Bible passages that you might want to look at in different versions and that sort of thing, and access that. There is the schedule for some of the upcoming stuff. So you see there is, right now we say we're looking at 1:40 p.m. That's going to be the test run that I'm doing right now. And in theory, what should happen is at 1:40, the service will start. Hey, look at that. It's 1:40. And this is the service. You'll note I just linked in the service from this past Sunday as a way of demonstrating how this works. But on a Sunday morning at 10 a.m., the service will start. And the great thing about this platform is it's happening at the same time for everyone. So if you were to pause this, it will then skip forward to where you would be as if you hadn't paused the service. So in this sense, if you want to go grab a cup of coffee, you'll miss out a little bit of the sermon or the prayer time or that kind of idea. But the great thing is you have this chat function. I go back to that. And when you're chatting together, everyone's watching the service at the same time. And so you can chat about the sermon and about the songs and the prayer times and that kind of idea. So that's the main idea for this platform. The other thing I'll mention is you can click on this live prayer button down at the bottom, and I click on that and you get a notification that says someone will be with you shortly. And really simply, that means that on a Sunday morning, I'll be watching this along with everyone else, and I'm considered a host in this system. And that means that as a host, I get a notification that Bradford is wanting live prayer. And I can then interact together. It basically opens up a private chat window where you could share a prayer request with me that's private. No one else will see it, and I can pray for you in that way. So that's the main stuff with this platform. I do know, because I've been doing it at home, you are able to cast this video to your smart TV or to your Chromecast or that kind of idea. I actually can't show that to you right now because I'm sitting in my office. I don't have anything that I can cast to. But if you have questions on this, feel free to email me, to text me. Even on a Sunday morning, I'm happy to help figure out some of the technology end of things to help you engage more fully in our services. So I hope this video is helpful, and I hope you have a great day.